Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to insert an SD card into CANON EOS R50 V. So I have the SD card and our camera. Flip it around, and right here is the card and battery slot. Flip this lever to open, then this gray lever upward, and the battery here, take it off. And right here you can see the card slot. So take your card and just put it in here and push it. Now you can insert the battery, close, flip the lever to lock, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.